Let's learn how to convert between grams and kilograms. The key relationship to remember is that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Let's visualize this relationship. Think of it like a scale. 1 kilogram weight on one side equals 1,001 gram weights on the other side. They balance perfectly because they represent the same mass. Let's start with converting from grams to kilograms. To convert grams to kilograms, we divide by 1,000. For example, let's convert 2,500 grams to kilograms. We divide 2,500 by 1,000, which gives us 2.5 kilograms. Now, let's look at converting from kilograms to grams. To convert kilograms to grams, we multiply by 1,000. For example, let's convert 3 kilograms to grams. We multiply 3 by 1,000, which gives us 3,000 grams. Here's a helpful tip when working with decimals. Let's say we have 3.5 kilograms. To convert to grams, we can simply move the decimal point 3 places to the right because we're multiplying by 1,000. This gives us 3,500 grams. Let's summarize. To convert grams to kilograms, divide by 1,000. To convert kilograms to grams, multiply by 1,000. And remember, you can always check if your answer makes sense. Kilograms should be a smaller number than grams for the same mass.